Meanwhile, children's advocate Dan Gordon Harrison has condemned the killing of 15-year-old Jamelia Cole and the brutal attack on her family. Mrs. Gordon Harrison described the incident as extremely sobering and disheartening and has expressed concern about the 17-year-old girl who reportedly escaped during the incident.
To have a 15-year-old lose her life in such a tragic set of circumstances with such extreme violence, of course, really gets to the core of what pain feels like for a family. So as children's advocate, on behalf of myself and the office that I lead, we express our condolences publicly, and we also are bearing in mind the 17-year-old who is described as having escaped the ordeal. And we're very much aware of the fact that this escape is not truly an escape because she now has to deal with the psychological pain and the trauma.